Welcome back. Now, in Indonesia's North Sumatra province, the destruction of forests has forced tigers into villages in search of food. People have been killed or wounded, and livestock has fallen prey to tigers. But some living in the middle of a tiger conservation area are showing that they can live in peace with the animals.
It's late afternoon in Pangikahan Waiharu hamlet, and some villagers are winding down at home. The area is one of two small hamlets situated in Tambling Wildlife Nature Conservation, a known tiger conservation land. At least 31 tigers roam freely within the 48,000 hectares conservation area. Initially, villagers were worried about possible attacks when rehabilitated tigers were released in 2008 and 2010. Some villagers reported seeing livestock disappear following the tiger release, and there were even plans to relocate 164 families from the villages to a safer area. But they stayed put when relocation plans fell through due to limited funds and licensing constraints. Many years on, villagers not only learned to live with the risks, but also accepted the tigers as part of the surrounding wildlife.
Waktu ada harimau, biarin aja ada harimau. Kalau bisa pergi diusir, itu aja. Kalau dia mau pergi, kalau enggak biarin aja, enggak ada masalah. Yang kita khawatirkan pelepas liaran selama ini hanya memangsa ternak masyarakat. Gitu. Sebab itu kan merugikan masyarakat.
Villagers are partly compensated by the park administrators for any livestock lost due to the tigers. But tiger attacks have become rare. Conservationists say that's because there's an ample supply of deer, wild boars, monkeys, and wild buffaloes in the park that the tigers can feed on. Some villagers are also benefiting from being employed by the Tambling Wildlife Nature Reserve as they work to keep the balance of the ecosystem in check. Today, village elders are more concerned about deer eating their crops than tigers wandering into villages.
Jadi kalau masalah di kota itu, yaitu kalau bagi diri kita, itu saya sangat mengkhawatirkan. Karena manusia dengan manusia. Tapi kalau hewan ini, ya tidak ada, masih ada kebijaknya, Bu, benar. Kalau orang sama orang itu istilahnya dia kan pemikiran sama orang, Bu. Jadi kalau hewan ini, kalau kita pakai baterai apalagi kita merokok begitu, dia istilahnya ini mas.
But as a precaution, Tambling Wildlife National Park operators have again placed warnings in several public areas. The public are urged not to venture into forests alone, especially at night, to properly cage livestock and keep an eye on children playing on farmland during sundown when tigers are more active. Despite the risk, villagers here say there has never been an attack on a human and are optimistic they can continue to lead a normal life in the countryside. Devianti Farid's Channel News Asia, West Lampung, Sumatra.